Hello guys, how are you today? Are you good? Great, I am happy. Guys, let's remember the sounds of the animals today. So let's go. Look, what animal is it? It's the dog. Very nice. So let's repeat. Dog. Great. Look. But guys, how the dog does? Great. Dog does. Ow, 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 ow. So let's imitate the dog. Great. So let's do it. Nice. And this. Do you remember? Oh, it's so cute. It's the cat. Cat. Repeat, cat. Nice. And how the cat does? Very good. The cat does. Meow. Meow. Can you do it? So, make this sound. Oh, so cute. I love it. And this one, guys, do you remember? It's a rabbit. Very good. It's a baby rabbit. So let's repeat. Rabbit. Very nice. Rabbit. It's so cute too. Look. Do you remember what is the rabbit sound? It's like this. Can you do it? Oh, I love it, guys. And look, who is it? It's Dizzy, our friend. Guys, Dizzy is a duck. Duck. Can you say duck? So let's repeat, duck. Oh, I love it, guys. And how the duck does? Duck does quack, 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 quack. So let's repeat, quack, 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 quack. Very good, I love it, guys. Now, try to play with the animals and imitate them, okay? Send me a video. Bye-bye, see you.